Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 83, Frequency. So this is another video containing a little puzzle for you. So it's a lateral thinking puzzle that I've been giving you so often, and thank you for the beautiful feedback I've been getting. It's been very positive and it just gives me motivation to continue. Let's have a look at today's puzzle. What comes once in a year, twice in every month, and 4 times in every week? A clue will be given on the next slide. So as always, do your best to solve it, and in 2 minutes time I will give you the clue on the next slide, but try and solve it yourself. It'll be very satisfying. Okay, here we go. As promised, here is your clue. That's it if you need it, but you possibly have solved it. But if not, here is your clue. So the question was, what comes once in a year, twice in every month, and 4 times in every week? And the clue is, the answers are contained in the question. I repeat, the answers are contained in the question, and I will give you the answer on the next slide. It's in about 1 minute's time, but if you haven't solved it, you should get it with that clue. Okay, as promised, here is the answer. That's if you haven't solved it. Let's have a look. What comes once in a year, twice in every month, and 4 times in every week? The letter E. Okay, because I said the answer is contained in the question. Once in a year, there's one letter E. Twice in every month, 1, 2. twice in every month, so there's twice for the letter E, and 4 times in every week. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is the letter E. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I wonder how many of you solved it. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and I'll go there right now.